So now if we move the slider for grain, once we do that, we're going to get some other options that come in here. So let's come in and let's take a look at this image. Spacebar, reposition, come down to here, see what we got. Now I'm going to add some grain. All right, so you can see the grain is coming back in. Notice the grain is different than digital noise. And so now I'm at 30. Let's go to 30. And the size is 25 and the roundness is 50. These are just defaults. The grain looks kind of nice, I guess. But if you want your grain size to be bigger, take it over to the right. And there you go. You can see that your grain is bigger, not as well defined. And then if I take the roughness and bring it up this way, now you can see that it's being a little more, well defined. But if I bring my grain size back down, I can take my roughness and move it away. That looks horrible. So you might want to come in this direction and all that kind of stuff. The reason why the software has it in, I'm going to take it out. The reason why the software has this feature in here, because a lot of photographers in the very beginning who were used to shooting in film and having natural grain in our images, when we started to see our digital images and we kind of got over the fact that they were wow, we started to think, well, wait a minute, there's something missing. It's grain. So we want to get rid of the digital noise, but we want to hold on to grain. So in that case, maybe I could come in here and just go 1020, give myself a little bit of grain in there. Also, it helps out when you're printing something. It just gives it a little something to bite onto when it's putting ink on paper, so you don't get bending and all that. All right, so this is the effects panel. Wow, who knew? Well, I did. It's besides the point. All right, let's close this up. We'll see you when I come back into curves.